Okay, hey everybody. This quick tutorial is for those of you that are looking to have an inquiry form, but with Jot Form, which is the free application up until a certain point, but mainly for client inquiry forms. So we did establish a way that you can just copy a pre-made one that we made for our team, so that way you do not have to struggle with making your own. You can edit and change a little bit of things as far as your name and things. Of course, you can change that to make it your own. We're just doing this to make it easier so you can import something quicker. So I'm going to quickly share screen. So now you see Jot Form on the screen, right? So it literally is jotform.com. If you click sign up, you can sign up. My suggestion is to just use email because sometimes Google can be a little weird when you're signing in, and Facebook is up to you. However, it's up to you. But for example, if I do email, you put your name, your email, you make up your password, it is free to sign in, right? So you make your account. Let's say you already made your account, and I'm going to switch over to what it looks like on the inside. So now that you have your account, you're in, you have your little avatar face over here and everything, right? This is what you will see. To make your inquiry form, which is what this tutorial is focused on, you are going to click the Create Form button. When you click the Create Form button, you are going to import a form because we already made one, right? And then you are going to import a form from a web page, right? And you will see that there is a blank here, right? So now this is the link that we provided you to copy. So once you paste it here, you'll be able to create it. Give me a second. So once again, this is where we were. And so now you would put in the link that we provided you guys with and click the button Create Form. So now it's going to clone all the questions and things of that nature. Of course, you can change the style or the color if there's anything that you want to change. So boom, just like that, now it's there. I'm just going to show you quick, brief things. If you want to add your own picture at the top, you can click Add Logo and upload a picture. If you want to, the only thing we left blank is here. So like if you're doing an introduction of saying thank you for entrusting Destination Hiatus, Mo Vacay, or your name or whatever the case may be, that's why it says ... So please feel free to change that. You can change your own greeting as well. And this was like one of those, if you would like to add your email, telling your clients to add your email so that way they don't miss any messages from you. But you can feel free to do whatever you want as far as your introduction to your clients and things like that. You would literally just click that and click edit text, right? So now you have your whole thing. Whatever you want to do, you save it, it goes back. Okay, but for the most part, it puts out all the questions that you would need no matter what you are booking. If you want to change the type of things you are booking, then I would just edit what you want to book here. So you could hit edit and then just change the different types of options based off of what you would like to book. Okay, but for the most part, outside of that, everything else you would need, so on and so forth, all the way through to the bottom, right? And also on the bottom, there's a place where you can, if you need a second page, which most of you would not. If you are looking to change any color, it's over here, Form Designer. You can feel free to change your colors, change the style in the background, whatever floats your boat. The main thing is that you have these key important questions so that way you are getting the information that you need for your clients in one form. I'm making sure I'm not missing anything. Oh, obviously this is where you're building the form. If you hit the publish button after you made any of your changes, that will make it live. And this is your link in which you would send your clients or put on your link tree for people to click and then get directed straight to the form. That is 100% up to you how you feel to share it. But this is the link. It never changes. So you can update your form as many times as you want, but the link will stay the same. So it will automatically update in a sense. You're better off sharing the link versus the email, because then it starts to collect and it sends it a certain way versus them getting it straight how you want them to get it. Of course, if you have your own websites, you can play with it if you want to embed and do all these extra things, but this is the basics of it. Okay, so this was just a quick tutorial on how you can just pull it in right away and move on instead of taking time dropping all the questions into the inquire form. So I hope this helps. I hope you have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.